ये दो सफ़ेद इसके बच्चे बॉक्स में हैं। ब्लू लवबर्ड, ये एक ये है मेल और दूसरा ये फीमेल। लाइट ब्लू lovebirds female, and I want to show this baby on that box. I will try to show this straight, and I want to show his baby. She's also laying, mashallah, 4 eggs of line. One pair inside the box, and the other box is empty. You can see, but nothing to show. I tried to show the baby inside the box. What is this? Outside the box. I don't know where is the baby. Can see? Where is it? I want to try to see baby. I can't see the baby. Cannot see the baby inside the box. Where is the baby? There is no baby. Oh. Albino red eyes, Fischer baby. I can't see. Where is the baby of albino red eyes? 2-3 weeks ago, I will see the baby inside the box, but I can't see. Just seeking where is the baby.